Which type of cartilage is predominantly found in the epiglottis and provides flexibility? Correct answer is option C, elastic cartilage. The structural and functional unit of muscle contraction is known as. Correct answer is option B, sarcomere. Which vitamin plays a crucial role in calcium absorption and bone mineralization? Correct answer is option D, vitamin D. Tight junctions between epithelial cells primarily function to. Correct answer is option C, prevent leakage. The pH of normal human blood is maintained around. Correct answer is option C, 7.4. Histology is defined as the study of. Correct answer is option B, study of tissues. The total number of bones in an adult human skeleton is. Correct answer is option B, 206. The longest and strongest bone in the human body is. Correct answer is option B, femur bone. The height bone is unique because it. Correct answer is option B, has no joints with other bones. Floating ribs are those which. Correct answer is option C, do not attach to sternum. The joint that allows movement in all directions including rotation is called. Correct answer is option C, ball and socket joint. Osteoclasts are responsible for. Correct answer is option C, bone resorption. Hematopoiesis occurs primarily in. Correct answer is option B, red marrow. The normal curvature of the spine in the lumbar region is called. Correct answer is option C, lordosis. A hinge joint permits movement mainly in. Correct answer is option B, one plane. Skeletal muscles are characterized by being. Correct answer is option B, voluntary and stated muscle. Smooth muscles are primarily found in. Correct answer is option C, internal organs. Muscle fatigue during intense exercise is mainly due to accumulation of. Correct answer is option C, lactic acid. Cardiac muscle differs from skeletal muscle because it is. Correct answer is option C, involuntary and stated muscle. Calcium ions play a key role in muscle contraction by. Correct answer is option B, initiating contraction. The longest muscle in the human body is. Correct answer is option C, sartorius. Red muscle fibers appear red due to high content of. Correct answer is option C, myoglobin. ATP is essential in muscle activity for. Correct answer is option C, both contraction and relaxation. The functional unit of a muscle fiber is called. Correct answer is option A, sarcomere. Muscle tone refers to. Correct answer is option C. Partial sustained contraction. The basic structure and functional unit of the nervous system is. Correct answer is option B. Neuron. The largest part of the human brain is. Correct answer is option B. Cerebrum. The cerebellum is primarily responsible for. Correct answer is option B. Balance and coordination. The medulla oblongata regulates. Correct answer is option C. Vital functions like breathing. The meninges are membranes that. Correct answer is option B. Protect the brain and spinal cord. Cerebrospinal fluid mainly functions to. Correct answer is option B. Protect and cushion brain. The autonomic nervous system controls. Correct answer is option C. Involuntary activities. Cranial nerve arise from. Correct answer is option B. Arise from brain. Myelin sheath increases the speed of. Correct answer is option C. Nerve impulse conduction. Neurotransmitters are chemicals that. Correct answer is option B. Transmit signals from synapse. The functional unit of the kidney responsible for filtration is. Correct answer is option B. Nephron. Gas exchange in the lungs occurs in. Correct answer is option C. Alveoli. The pituitary gland is known as the master gland because it. Correct answer is option B. Controls other glands. Oxygen is transported in blood mainly by. Correct answer is option C. Hemoglobin in RBC. Platelets are essential for. Correct answer is option C. Blood clotting. The aorta carries blood from the heart to the. Correct answer is option B. Heart to the body. Insulin helps regulate. Correct answer is option B. Blood sugar level. The gallbladder primarily functions to. Correct answer is option B. Store bile. Which cartilage type is present in epiglottis? Correct answer is option B. Elastic cartilage. The strongest ligament of the body is. Correct answer is option C. Leofemoral ligament. Which junction prevents leakage between cells? Correct answer is option B. Tight junction. Which hormone causes fight or flight response? Correct answer is option B. Adrenaline. Which part of neuron conducts impulse away from cell body? Correct answer is option B. Axon. The longest part of the human digestive system is. Correct answer is option C. Small intestine. Which blood cells help in clotting? Correct answer is option C. Platelets.